Trust isn't built in words. It's built in numbers, the numbers that define real performance. At Rastgar Engineering, every component is measured, tested, and validated to international standards. Not once, not twice, but at every stage: casting, machining, finishing, and inspection. 98.7% first-pass accuracy. Zero compromise metallurgy. Dimensional tolerances held to within microns. This is not just manufacturing. This is controlled engineering. Our clients don't return for guarantees. They return for consistency. Over 87% of our customers have been with us for more than a decade. Every wheel hub assemblies, every component we produce is built for mileage, heat, load, and safety. Tested in real fleets, real roads, real conditions. ISO 9001, ISO 14001, global export compliance. Millions of components shipped, thousands of trucks running on our parts every day, product trusted in more than 50 countries. Rastgar Engineering, proven in numbers, trusted on roads worldwide. Visit rastgar.com.